Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, July 31st. The Zen story today is titled The Mirror Cracked in Moonlight. The cat returned to the room it hadn't visited in a long time. It wasn't clear why, just that something pulled it there, the way a leaf follows wind without knowing where it started. The paper screens trembled softly as the night breeze moved through them. The scent of damp cedar rising from the floorboards. The air itself seemed to remember something. The mirror was still there, round, simple, clean, though no one cleaned it. But now a crack ran through it, thin, barely visible, like a hairline on still water. The cat approached slowly, each step deliberate, as if the floor might give way beneath its paws. The stillness in the room deepened, like the hush before a bell is struck. The cat looked into the glass. Its reflection stared back, but something was wrong, almost immediately. The reflected cat blinked out of rhythm. A paw lifted when the real cat stood perfectly still. The cat tilted its head, ears twitching. The mirror cat moved, but not an answer. It crouched, its tail flicking once, twice, and then it leapt, vanishing. There, beneath a plum tree heavy with late spring blossoms, a tiny bird trembled on a branch. A breeze stirred the petals. One fell, then another. The cat blinked. The room around it held only silence and moonlight. No tree, no bird. And yet, it knew that tree. What thought it did? A feather floated across the mirror's surface, dissolving as it touched the widening crack. A soft, brittle sound, like the crack deepening ever so slightly. The cat pressed a paw to the glass. The image shifted. Now the mirror held the vision of a dimly lit hall. A monk sat on a cushion, his back to the cat. His body shook, not from laughter, but from something quieter, heavier. His shoulder His shoulders trembled with each silent sob. The mirror cat curled itself at the monk's side, its presence soft as breath. The cat outside the glass felt a strange tightness in its chest. It did not remember this moment. Or maybe it did. But not like this, not in the shape, not in the silence. A whisper of unease threaded through its fur. Its tail flicked once, uncertainly. And then another shift. Now it saw itself, smaller, soaked, shivering. Tiny kitten beneath a broken eave, rain splashing down it in sheets. Wind howled through empty alleys, cold and sharp. The kitten's fur clung to its thin body, too small to withstand the storm. A soft whimper escaped the real cat's throat, barely a sound at all, as if remembering something long buried beneath 1,000 ordinary days. It backed away, claws scraping lightly against the wooden floor. But it didn't leave, not yet. A soft footstep. There. The cat turned its head toward the doorway. There stood a monk, old, bent slightly to one side as if the years had collected more on one shoulder than the other. He carried nothing but a small bundle of cloth in one hand. His face, half in shadow, bore no expression. Without fully stepping into the room, the monk spoke. Do you know how the mirror came to be here? The cat did not know. The monk tilted his head toward the glass. They say it was made from the surface of a frozen lake, a single winter night, long ago. The craftsman used the breath of the dying moon to shape it, and sealed inside whatever the lake reflected last. The cat's ears twitched. The monk smiled faintly, as if some private joke, then left. Soft footsteps faded into the hallway, leaving nothing but the hum of silence behind. The cat looked back toward the mirror. Its reflection was gone. Only the crack remained, running clean through an empty surface that now caught the moonlight in its fracture. A thin line of silver widening so slowly it seemed the glass itself might sigh. The cat stood for a moment longer. Then it turned and walked away. Now take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. If you'd like, you can gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften it. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. Is it possible to remember something your mind has never known, but your body still carries? Is it possible to remember something your mind has never known, but your body still carries? And now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Is it possible to remember something your mind has never known, but your body still carries? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.